Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Kinder Bueno Blondies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large heat-proof bowl and into it place your butter followed by the white chocolate. Then melt this in the microwave on 20-second bursts until the mixture is smooth and melted, similar to what you see on screen right now. Once you've achieved this, you can then go ahead and add in your sugar and whisk this in until it's fully incorporated. You're just looking for it to incorporate and it will thicken the mixture up. This is completely normal, it will look very granular. Then you can go ahead and add in all of your eggs and your vanilla extract and just whisk these in until it's been fully incorporated. This will change your consistency a little bit and make it much more liquid, but don't worry, this is normal. Then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Now you can go ahead and add in your flour, salt, along with the chocolate chips and other chocolate fillings, and just fold these in using a spatula until they have been fully incorporated and fairly distributed throughout the batter. You can then go ahead and grab your 9x9" square cake tin, which has been lined with some parchment paper, and pour all of that blondie batter in there, as much of it as you possibly can scrape in there, and then smooth and level it out as best as you possibly can. And then this just helps with the baking and the whole process of keeping it level and consistent, as you don't want a blondie to dry out, and if it's thinner in one area and thicker in another, it may be underbaked and overbaked all at the same time. Then you can go ahead and take dollops of chocolate hazelnut spread or Nutella, whichever one you want to use, and just place random dollops over the top of the blondie batter. That's what I've done here. And then I also leave space so I can use some white chocolate hazelnut spread as well, and this is just to mimic the flavour that's inside of the Kinder Bueno. That is completely optional, you don't have to, but I really want to get as much flavour in there as possible, especially hazelnut, as it's such a pleasant flavour. You can then go ahead and take a knife and just swirl the chocolate spread throughout the blondie batter. You can do as much or as little swirls as you'd like. There's no right or wrong answer, but I find once you know the pattern that you're looking at and you like it, just stop. You don't want to complicate it or make things more difficult. You can then go ahead and place this into your preheated oven and bake it off. All that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So here are what the blondies look like once they have been baked. You can then go ahead and quickly place on top your chocolates of choice. I'm going with 2 on each portion, but again, you can do as many or as few as you'd like. I just wanted these to be, indulgent and luxurious without being too much or too little, and I find that this was the perfect amount, as you're getting a lot of chocolate and a lot of sweet, and it's all perfectly balanced, so don't worry. But again, you do as much or as little as you'd like, and here's what they look like up close. You want to do this while the blondies are still hot, as they work better. Chill in the fridge until you need them. I like to cut mine the following day. It makes it much easier to cut them up if they've been in the fridge for a bit. And as you can tell, I still had trouble because they was a little bit too firm, but it's perfect to slice them up. Let them come to room temperature and you've got yourself a perfect treat. So here are what the blondies look like. You've got that perfectly swirled top with the chocolate. As you can tell, you've got some of the Kinder Milk bars and the Kinder Buenos, but then you've got that dense blondie with the chocolate chips and chocolate studded, along with the swirls of the Nutella and chocolate hazelnut spread. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, as I'll be back again with another recipe very soon, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.